Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to be making a bracket to mount a headlight on my buddy Jack's electric bike. He bought these nice baskets, but the headlight wasn't designed to mount to them, and where he was able to mount it, it was interfering with the suspension travel on the front wheel. So I made this bracket up for him to relocate the light to the front of the bracket. So let's get started.
So we're going to start by cleaning up this end, which is just saw cut on the bandsaw. Make this nice and flat, and then we'll flip it over, do the other end, and then turn these four sides, or two, whatever, down to size. Going to start with a 10 thou pass just because I don't know how flat this surface is. Alright, so we've got the piece of steel cut down to the right dimensions on the shaper, and now I am going to drill the hole for the center that will wrap around the bike frame, the basket frame. So we're going to start that by locating the center of the part, that's where the hole goes, using an edge finder. Okay, so we're centered on the part, and now I'm going to spot drill it and then through drill it with a, what is this, 31/64, which is just slightly smaller, or pretty much the same size, I think, as the rail on my friend's bike rack. Alright, now because I don't have my vice stop in, or my stop that I built, or a vice stop, I need to take this out and recenter it again, at least on the x-axis. So I think we all know a project that'll be coming up soon. I've been doing some research on vice stops. Alright, I'll bring you back after I've recentered this. Okay, so we've got the center located again, and now we need to drill 2 holes for the screws that'll go through to attach it to the bike rack. Those will be on center and the y-axis, so let's move that to the center. And let's drop this down a little bit. .725 from the center. Alright, we're going to drill those out for 1/4-20 cap screws. So if memory serves me, that is a number 7 drill bit. Alright, now we're going to set up a slitting saw, find the vertical center, and cut it in half. Alright, I can't get the quill down low enough with this slitting saw arbor on it, so I'm going to have to mount the part at the end of the jaw and cut it from the side. The height should be the same, I shouldn't have to mess with that. And before anybody says it, I know I should have something on the other side of the jaws, but I don't have anything. So it's just the way it's going to be. Okay, now this feels like a operation that definitely calls for safety goggles. Broke a tooth. Alright, got another slitting saw set up in there. A little bit thicker this time. This one's a 32nd thick. And I'm going to try cutting. God damn it. I'm not going to try. Try starting my cut on the side, see if I can avoid breaking another blade. see how that looks. Now I need to relocate the center of this part so I can drill clearance holes for the screws in this side. Got a little burr coming off of this back side. There we go. Okay, this half, aside from deburring, is done. This half, I need to tap these holes for 1/4 20 and deburr. Alright, so let's give all of these a little hit with the deburring tool here. Chamfering, whatever the heck you want to call it. Alright, I'm going to deburr, tap, and then blue these. I'll just do this all off camera and be back with the completed part.
Okay, so we've got the completed bracket mounted on my buddy's electric bike and the headlight mounted. I think it turned out pretty well. So thanks a lot for watching and take care. Bye.